Hey, what's up guys? So please, this is Neil. If you're new in my channel, please subscribe. If you like my video, please make a big thumbs up. There is so many people. Keep watching my video. Bye KG.
वालिया तू तड़पाया लौट के फिर तू कदे ना आया अखा दे नाल दिल नू रुलाया बड़ा सताया तू याद तेरी हुण आती जावे पर तेरी कोई खबर ना आवे दिल मेरा हुण डुबदा जावे बड़ा सताया तू तेनू हुण मेरी कदे याद आके तड़पांदी नहीं अखियां चो तेरी कदे नींदर उठ फुट जाती नहीं आवे तू मुड़ के हुण मैं तकरा फरियादा नी राह विच जिथे बैठी एक लेके तेरी यादां एक तेरी खैर मंगदी मैं मंगा ना कुछ और एक तेरी खैर मंगदी ना टूटे दिल की डोर एक तेरी खैर मंगदी अब कोई चले ना जोर एक तेरी खैर मंगदी मैं मंगा ना कुछ और एक तेरी खैर मंगदी ना टूटे दिल की डोर एक तेरी खैर मंगदी अब कोई चले ना जोर एक तेरी खैर मंगदी हाँ मैं गल सुन मेरी तू मुटियारे की समझे अपने आप मेरे मगर तू की कर दी है गल बस तू ही जांदी मैनू सफाइयां पेश न कर रब।
Hey my friends, so today a new day. So right now I am in Mayapur.
ना टूटे दिल का प्यार मंगदी अब कोई चले ना जोर एक तेरी खैर मंगदी झूठा प्यार कीता है तू।
Hey, what's up guys? This is Neil. Right now I'm in Mayapur. You can see the crowd. But yes, this is the biggest festival. Please watch it and I will show you what is happening at the time of Holi. So many excitements right now. Just right behind me it is the gate, the entry gate. So now follow me. Guys, you can see in front of me there is some constructions going on. Maybe the temple is extending little bit, and this is you can see this is a beautiful fountain inside the temple premises. Actually it takes 45 minutes hardly from Shantipur. You can take cab, you can take car, four-wheeler from Shantipur, and you can directly come over here. As this is a holy time, so it's as a holy season, it's what happened, like a lot of people coming from different places, and It's too much crowd over here. Maybe it takes a little bit more time, but yeah, it's too much exciting and you can enjoy it. Yep. So my friends, you feel really very peaceful if you come over here because you will get the mind peace. Okay? So a lot of people are coming to get to do the meditation, and you can see this very nice, cool and calm, and absolutely it's amazing place. You will have different types of positive vibes if you come over here. You can do the meditation and absolutely nice. So my friends, actually I'm going to get the ticket for lunch. Actually I've heard that the lunch over here is absolutely delicious, and if you're lucky you'll get that. So I'm trying to get this first, otherwise I'll not get the ticket. So my first target is to get the tickets, because you need to have the tickets for having the lunch. You can see there is very long way, and so my friends, as this is the starting of the summer, you will get some fresh fruit juice. You can see, right? So some fresh fruits juice center you will have. So you will have some bookstall. So guys, I have just seen there is a tourism center also, Mayapur Tourism Center, you can see. So if you want to go around here and there, you can get some information, and there are so many shops, so you can buy stuff from here. So guys, you can see to get the ticket of lunch, there is a big queue. So you can understand that it's not so easy, but yeah, I have to make it somehow. It's a very big queue over here. A lot of people, and so it's quite natural that you will get this thing, because it's a time of holy season and people are coming from different parts of this world. So so my friends, if you want to visit the reception that is over here, actually inside the building you can see the reception, so you can get the coupon of lunch from the reception center. So my friends, actually what happened, I'm very unlucky actually. The coupon by which you can get the lunch, that is just finished before I arrived in the reception, but it's okay, no problem. We have find out the ways. Maybe we'll have the lunch some other place. Okay, so let's see. So this is another coupon center. You can see this Prashadam coupon center. Maybe I will have to take it from here. So my friends, I have managed to have some lunch. Let me show you the one small coupon center that where you can get some white rice, khichdi and something, you know, in 30 bucks. Okay, so let me show you the menu. And yeah, so this is very small coupon counter, but the price is very much reasonable. It is only 30 bucks. But still there is a big queue, as you can see that a lot of people are here. So my friends, one quick information: if you go inside this lunch room where you can get the lunch, first of all you need to open your shoes. Yes, so you can see right there is a free shoe center just right behind me. Let me show you this. There is a free shoe stand. So from here you need to keep all your shoes, and I really think this is very good idea, because people are coming from different places, and if they are not, you know, if they are not keeping their shoes in a proper place, the lunch room will be dirty. Okay, so this is very good steps taken by ISKCON authority. So keep this in your mind.